So this is the LuxaCrown long-term provisional. And LuxaCrown is a glass-filled material in a matrix of multifunctional methacrylates. It contains catalysts, stabilizers, and additives, but it doesn't have methyl methacrylate. And that's to me, that's the key. The methyl methacrylates have a very particular odor, kind of like a nail salon. No, not kind of, exactly like a nail salon, because that's what they use. They use methacrylate resins, just like we did in dental school when we were fabricating custom trays. So the methyl methacrylate also tends to burn the oral tissues. So it's important to use something other than, both for the odor and the way it feels. So prior to extraction of the molar roots, I get to try the provisional in the mouth. I get to try it in the mouth, and any adjustments, additions, changes can be made at that time. If you do it that way, you avoid introducing foreign bodies into the extraction socket. That could be polyvinyl, that could be bisacryl composite, it could be any of the materials that you're using that would get into the socket and potentially cause a foreign body reaction, well, basically foreign body reaction is what you'd have, and the healing time would be delayed. So it's important to, it's really important to make sure that you do it in this way, this manner. Over time, people have asked me about this product and whether or not it holds its color. And if you take a look through thermocycling, they thermocycled the LuxaCrown using distilled water, and they thermocycled it using grape juice. And you can see that there's an acceptable threshold for color detection with the human eye, which means that the human eye can detect it, can detect a color change on this scale at 1.8. And you can see that the blue line is the 1.8, which is right over here, this blue line, and the LuxaCrown does not even get close. So the color changes are not noticeable to the human eye for any of those materials.